Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today we will make dishwash gel without using caustic soda. Means without using sodium hydroxide. This is a new formula and a very safe formula. Anybody can make it without any fear because we are not using caustic soda, means sodium hydroxide, which is very dangerous. Friends, first I will show you all the raw materials which are required for this dishwash gel. Then I will show you full practical video of making dishwash gel, and after completing the video I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So friends, in order to understand properly, please watch my full video. So let's start. Friends, first I am showing you the raw materials. See, this is SLES. It is easily available in the industrial chemical shops. See, this is acid slurry. It is also available easily. See, this is soda ash. It is also called sodium carbonate or washing soda. This is baking soda, also called as sodium bicarbonate. It is also easily available in the market. This is water. You can take RO water or DM water. But please don't take tap water. This is perfume, means fragrance. Perfume should be water based. This is water based food color. So let's start the practical video. First I have taken acid slurry. Now I am adding sodium carbonate, soda ash. Now I am adding baking soda. Now I am adding some water. Mix properly. Mixing is very important. Now I am adding some more water. Friends, I want to tell you one thing. Please take total quantity of water in a vessel, and when you want to add water in between the process, take the water from that vessel only. Now I am adding SLES. Now I am adding color. Now I am adding perfume. Friends, to make it thick, I am adding some common salt which you use in your kitchen. This is common salt. Add a pinch of salt. See, it has already started thickening as soon as I added salt. See friends, dishwash gel is ready, but it's too foamy. So I will leave it overnight and show you the real picture tomorrow. So next day it looked like this. Now we will check the pH level. The pH level should be between 5 to 7. See, the pH level is looking like 7. Now I will show you the foam it will make in water. So I have taken some water in a bowl and I am adding a little quantity of dishwash gel in it. Friends, see the foam. Now friends, Please note the quantity of materials. Take acid slurry 150 ml. Sodium carbonate 30 gram. Baking soda 10 gram. SLES 100 ml. Water should be between 700 ml to 800 ml. Friends, salt should be added very slowly, a pinch at a time. As soon as the liquid turned thick, stop the use of salt. Otherwise, your liquid will become watery. For color, use water-based color, and you can add more color or less color. It is according to your choice. If you want dark, then add more color, and if you want light, then add less color. Same in the case of fragrance. Take water-based fragrance, add more fragrance if you want strong smell, and add less fragrance if you want light smell. Friends, did you like my video? If you like, please share my video with all your friends and relatives, and please subscribe my channel. After pressing subscribe, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell icon. After pressing that, you will see 3 options on the screen. You will see all option on the top. Please press that all button. Pressing all is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive all the notifications as soon as I will make a new video. So please press all button. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.